Hi, today I'm in front of me ZTE Blade V40s and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll to the features. After that, tap the record screen and here we can see the sound resets. Just here we just use in screen recordings only the system sounds. We can also change it to use the microphone to comment something or just to record mute videos. Also we just one more option how to activate the screen recording settings. Just first open notification panel. Here you should find somewhere screen recording icon. Hold for a while this icon and just by the same way we just activate and launch the screen recording settings, and we can change here also sound source. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.